Hi, today we are going to discuss another question, area of a cylinder, the question number 4. Here this question is given, the total surface area of a cylinder is 5412 centimeters square. If the area of the curved surface is 2640 centimeters square, find the total surface area of two lids, radius of the cylinder, height of the cylinder. That means the cylinder is given. Here total surface area equal 5412 centimeters square. That means total surface area. That means if you take the cylinder like this, whole area, upper lids and lower lid and the curved surface, total equal 5412 centimeters square. Then there is a curved surface area equal 2640 centimeters square. Curved surface means this, the curved surface. So the curved surface area equal 2640 centimeters square. Now they ask, find the total surface area of two lids. That means area of these two lids. How we are going to find that? What I do is, from this total surface area 5412, we have to subtract this curved surface area of 2640 centimeters square. So we can write total surface area of the total surface area of two lids equal what? From this 5412, then subtract 2640. So here 2, here 1 minus 4 is, that is, you have to borrow 1 here, 11 minus 4 is 7, here 3, 3 minus 6 can you borrow 1, then what? 13, 13 minus 6 is 7, here 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 2772 centimeters square. That is the area of two lids. So area for one lid is what? We have to divide this by 1. So area of a lid equal what? Area of a lid equal 2772 divided by 2, 1386 centimeters square. 1386 centimeters square. So that is the area of one lid. So this lid is 1386 centimeters square. So this lid also then again 1386 centimeters square. Then they ask what? Find the radius of the cylinder. Radius means what? That means if you take the cylinder like this is a circular shape, this is a lid. So this radius is the radius of the cylinder. So that means what is the area of this one? That is equal, if the radius is r, pi r square. So this area equal pi r square. So therefore, here if it is radius is r, this area equal pi r square. So pi r square should be equal to 1386. From that we can find the radius of the cylinder. So I write like this way. Area of a lid equal 1386. So that means 5r squared equal 1386. 5 means what? 22 over 7. R equal R is not given. So we take r squared equal 1386. So now you can multiply both sides by 7. Then what? 22 into r squared equal 1386 into 7. Then I can divide this by 22. Then what? R squared equal 1386 into 7 divided by 22. Now we can divide this by 2. 22 I can divide by 2. Then 11. Here by 2, 6 1 remain, 18 9. Here 3. Okay. Now r squared equal 693 into 7 over 11. Now 11 and 69 you can divide, 11 1, 11 6, 6. Then 3 remain, for 33 3. Okay. Now r squared equal 63 into 7. Okay. Now I got r squared equal what? 63 into 7. So that means r squared equal 63 into 7. That means r squared equal 7 into 3 is 21, 2 remain. 7 into 6 is 4, 12, 44. So r equal, then what? Square root 441. So if you get 21 centimeter. So radius of this cylinder equal what? That is 21 centimeter. So that value equal here 21 centimeter. Radius is 21 centimeter. Clear? Now we found that one. Now they ask find the height of the cylinder. Now next part is we have to find the height of the cylinder. So I think now you can understand this. So I will do the next part now, how to find the height of the cylinder. Clear? Right. You know curved surface area equal to 5 RH. So that is equal to 5 RH. Equal what? 2 5 RH, or otherwise you can write curved surface area CURVED, curved surface area equal to 5 RH. So that is equal what? 2640. So you can write 2 5 RH equal 2640. 2 5 means 22 over 7. R equal what? 21 into H equal 2640. 7 1 7 3. 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 into 22 into H equal 2640. Now we have to find the value of H. H equal 2640 divided by 6 into 22. Okay. By 11 you can divide. 11 2. 11 2. Then 4 remain 40. So that means 240 divided by 6. That means H equal 40 centimeter. That means height of the cylinder equal 40 centimeter. This value equal 40 centimeter. Okay, how we did that one? We found the curved surface area equal to 5 RH. This formula you know. Then we make 2 5 RH equal 2640. That is the curved surface area. That is given in the question. Then earlier we have found R. So we substitute the value of R here. Then 2 into 5 means 22 over 7. R means 21 into H equal 2640. Then we simplify this and we got the answer H equal 40 centimeter. That means height of the cylinder equal 40 centimeter. So this is a very good question. So what we have to do is, this question we have to do 1 or 2 times again and again. Then we will understand it nicely. Clear? The same question we have to do at least twice or thrice. That's the best way to study maths. So thank you very much. We'll meet from the next question.